Hello friends. So welcome to MongoDB C# beginners tutorial part 3. So in this tutorial now we are checking some advanced methods that we can use in MongoDB find filter definition. So in the previous video we have checked how to do the bulk operations and how to do the basic CRUD operations, all those stuffs. Now let us check what are all the methods what we can, or what are all the options we have in MongoDB find filter definition. Not only in MongoDB find, we can use those filter definition even in update or wherever we are using the filter definitions. So basically in this video we are covering some advanced methods of filter definition. So I am just taking the method which we have used in our previous videos. So this method is used for loading the product data from our database, and the product model class has these many elements: product ID, product code, product name, product, and the price. So now in filter definition, in previous videos we have used builders.product.filter.empty. So basically this means we are not filtering with any values. Now let us check some other options in filter definition. So here, instead of filter.empty, I'm just using EQ, which we have already used in our update function. So I have already told EQ means equal to. So if I am giving like this, a such that a dot product code equal to, and I'm just giving a sample product code. So now this function will return the list of products, or it will show the list of products in the data grid view, but it will show only one product, or we can say that it will filter the product code field with 101. So if there is any product with product code 101, it will only be shown in the data grid view. So I will just run the application. The application is building. Yeah, it is opening. Yeah, the application got opened, and you can see it has only returned one product with product code 101. Now let us check some other methods which we can use in filter definition. So first let us check which are all the products available. So now instead of EQ, I'm just giving empty itself. Now I'm running the application. Yeah, you can see there are 3 different products available. Oh, there are 3 different records in the database. So now let us check some other functions like greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. So here I am giving filter.gte. This means greater than or equal to a such that a dot price 100. So now it will show only the products which is having a price of more than 100 or 100, both actually. So yeah, here you can see it is returning two, or it is showing two products. The first product is having price 100 and the second one is having 300. Now instead of GTE I am using LTE, so that means less than or equal to. Now also it will show two records. Yeah, here the first record is having a price of 10 and the second one is having a price of 100. So it loads two records. Now instead of LTE, if I am just giving LT, this means less than. So now it should not load the product with price 100. Yes, see, now it is only loading one product which is having a price of 10. So in the same way, we have GT. So GT means greater than. So now it will only load the product with price 300. Yes, there is only one product with price 300. So that is greater than. Now, next thing what we are going to check is, for example, I am having a list, okay, of product codes. Product code list is equal to new list of string. We all know that the product code is a string value. So I've just given 101 and 102. Now what I need to do is, I just need to show the products which is having these two product codes, 101 and 102. So for that, now I'm using in option a such that a dot product code, comma, and I'm using this product code variable which we have declared and running the application. Yes, now you can see there are two products. One is having product code 101 and another one is having product code 102. This is how we can filter using in method. Now there is one more option, NIN. This means not in. So now it should load only one record which is having product code 103. So that means this will exclude the product codes 101 and 102. Now going to the next. Now apart from in, yeah, not function is there. So I will just show you not function. I'm just commenting out this one. So product code 101. Sorry. NE. NE means not equal to. So not equal to product code 101. This is the opposite of EQ. So now it will show the products which is not 101, which is not having a product code 101. Okay, now we are going to check how we can give multiple filters. So I'm just running this and for just checking the records. So yeah, now we have given one filter that is not equal to. So the product, now it is showing the product which is not having product code 101. So in here there are two different records. Okay, now we can give another filter using price. So I will show you how we can use that. we have to give AND operator, then builders of product dot filter dot gt greater than is such that a dot price 100. So now we have given two different conditions. The first condition is the product code should not be 101 as it is NE, it is not equal to. Now the second condition is the product price should be greater than 100. Now let's run the application. Yes, now you can see it is only showing one record. So this one record matches both the conditions. So this is how we can give multiple conditions. So we can give as many conditions we need. We can use again the AND operator here and again give another condition if need. In this way we can use multiple filters. Now instead of AND operator, I am giving OR operator. So OR operator means either any of the conditions should match. So now the application will check first this condition. Okay, if this condition matches, then it will show the result, or the records with this condition also, or the records which is matching this condition also will be listed. So either any of these conditions has to match. That is the only scenario if we are using OR operator. So now let's run. Yes, here you can see now it is showing two records. The first one is matching the first condition, so it is not equal to 101. So this condition is matching, but the first record doesn't match the second condition. The price should be greater than. It is not greater than or equal to, it is greater than. So this particular condition won't match, but still this record got displayed. Why? Because it has matched the first condition. Now the second condition, now the second record matches both. It matches the first condition as well as the product code is not 101 and it is greater than 100. So both conditions matched, so that is why it is displayed here. In this way we can use OR operator. Hope you understood the difference between AND operator and OR operator. So that's it for today's video. Hope you understood the concept. So we will be continuing more advanced things in the upcoming videos. So please subscribe and like the video if you enjoyed it. Thank you. Thank you all.